God inhabits. God occupies. When you worship in your room, God occupies that room. When you worship God in your kitchen, God occupies that. Iniimbitahan mo ang Diyos. Nilalagay mo siya sa trono kapag ikaw ay nagpupuri sa Kanya. Ibig sabihin, when you praise, when you worship, you invite God into your situation. So kung problematic ang sitwasyon, imbitahan mo ang ating Panginoon. Kung may sakit, imbitahan mo ang healer. Kung may kakulangan, i-invite mo ang provider because when you praise, you don't know what to do. Be still. Ilagay mo sa una ng pagpupuri. Huwag mo gawing last option. Hindi ka nag-worship para tanggapin ang Panginoon. Nag-worship ka because you are accepted. You are not worshiping God to earn God's approval. No. You are worshiping God. You are praising God because you are approved by God. And when you praise God, kapag nagpupuri ka sa Panginoon, you're telling the devil to shut up. So kapag ikaw ay nagpupuri, sinasabi mo kay Satan, shut up. Alam mo bakit ang daming negative thoughts na pumapasok sa isip mo kapag hindi ka nagpupuri, right? Kung ano-anong takot, kung ano-anong anxiety, kasi nga nilalaso ni Satan. Huwag ka magpuri, mag-complain ka, huwag ka magpuri, ito, gawin mo ito, isip mo. Don't allow the enemy to talk to you that way. You have a spiritual authority, my friend. You are more than conqueror, you are victorious. Don't let Satan talk to you that way. God inhabits.